Full disclosure, you guys, we finally did it. We blew a belt, but hey guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Today is day 14 AM, but day 13 is the day that all the skeptics were waiting for. We're gonna go riding today, but you guys enjoyed day 13 and the happiness of all the skeptics. But there's a caveat, so stay tuned. Day 13, it's time to hit the road, you guys. Had a great night's sleep last night in the trailer. I think I've shared that with you before, that's been going on. Sleeping is good in there. I love it. So anyway, we'll check you guys on the trail. Look, they don't put gas stations on dirt roads anymore. It just doesn't happen. So we have to hit some pavement and some highway to get to fuel, right? So don't hate on us for that. We're cruising down the highway just south of Island Park, and I want to show you guys my stats. There's lots of comments. Oh, they're gonna blow all kinds of belts. One guy said, how many belts per gallon? Yeah, well, these rigs are built right, and we haven't had any issues yet. I'm over 2,000 miles on this trip alone, but look at this. I'm going to show you my stats. This is the belt ambient temperature, that's the engine temperature, and of course that's the speed. We're going down the highway, there's the trailer in the mirror, and there's no issues here, you guys. X3 Max for the win. Woo! Welcome to Idaho, boys and girls. Man, that's beauty. That is nice. See, when you hit all the back roads, you get to see some really cool stuff. Of course, I'm sure you can see that from somewhere else, but man, it's pretty. The Big Hole Barbecue, guys. Victor, Idaho. Rocky Mountain Backcountry approved. Thank you very much. That was delicious. 100% honesty with you guys. I blew a belt. We're south of Driggs, Idaho. I don't know, somewhere south of Victor. We had lunch in Victor. We jumped on the road. But listen, you guys, look at this mileage. There is the mileage on the machine. 5,257 miles, you guys. All original belt. And check it out. We just lost a chunk out of it. It did not explode. I'm blowing some dust out of here now. But full disclosure, you guys, we finally did it. We blew a belt, but 5,200 miles on the original belt. I'm good with that, you guys. I just threw another one on there. Thank you, Jorgensen Power Sports, jhsport.com. Go check those guys out. They got everything that you need for your side-by-side. They even got a brand new side-by-side if you need it. So I'm gonna finish getting this belt wrapped up. We got a new belt on it. I'm blowing it out to get it cleaned up, and then we're back on the road. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. We're gonna ride.